Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be taking a close look at the silicone cover for both the Samsung Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. Simple and to the point, the silicone cover certainly won't pull up any trees, but for a case that feels great in hand, looks good on and won't compromise the sleek S9 styling, I really don't think you can do much better. Applied within seconds, the silicone cover really aids the look and feel of the phone once attached. The colours available present an interesting mix. I'm not personally enamoured with the pink and blue options, I must admit, but I'm sure that these pastel shades will still appeal to some. The black and grey versions however are much more appealing and blend perfectly with the S9, providing it with a supreme slimline style. The silicone cover's texture, while smooth to touch, actually aids grip when in hand thanks to the friction that this texture creates. Internally, the case features a soft microfiber lining that ensures the back of your S9 or S9 Plus will stay scratch free and looking as good as the day you bought it. With access to all ports and features, the case really doesn't get in the way at all, and as such the thin nature of this case means that it's barely noticeable at all after a week or two. It won't add any crazy drop protection or even protect your screen through a raised lip, but for those looking to add some sophisticated style, you'll be able to enhance the S9's design while still guarding against minor scratches and scrapes that can occur on a daily basis. The silicone cover's slimline construction not only makes for a great look, it also allows wireless charging to pass through perfectly, meaning that you can charge in the most futuristic way possible while your phone stays encased and ultimately protected. If you would like to know more about this case, then I'll be leaving a link in the description, and if you would like to purchase the silicone cover for either the S9 or the S9 Plus, then I'll be leaving links in the comments below.